Hello everyone. Welcome to DataBit. In this video, we will demo how to process a customer return authorization in Technisoft Service Manager for an equipment that we sold with valid warranty. You launch the return authorization entry. Select the customer site. We will use Bargain Mart Los Angeles for this example. Next, select which equipment to authorize this return. In the equipment selection list, you will find all those equipments installed in this customer site along with its warranty end date. Let's go ahead to select this Canon Image Runner photocopier. You may leave the reported problem empty for now as we are going to email this to our customer to fill in. Let's hit the print and check out the RA confirmation form on the screen before sending the email. This form will be customized according to your preferred layout. Let's print again and this time select email to our customer's contact. It shows the preview of the email message that you can also customize. They can input the problem statement in the email when they reply to this email. A PDF for this is also attached in this email. Now let's take a look at the email how it looks like. You notice that the received, on job and return status is none. Once you've received their email reply, you may copy and paste those statements back here. Next, when the equipment arrives, you click on Receive and you select the equipment that has arrived. Optionally, you may proceed to print and email the receipt to your customer. At the email layout, you may select a layout for receipt to show those equipment that has arrived. Notice that the receipt status is shown as all as we have received all the equipment in this RA. Let's click Post to create a job for this returned equipment for my workshop to start work. You may select quotation if you wish to email quotation for billable items in this repair. Next, select job type as workshop repair warranty so that it has no charges for items in this job. Click Post, it creates a job number immediately. Now you notice that the on-job status has changed to all. Let's click Document to open the job. Now that in this document entry screen you will see equipment and the corresponding CRA information. You may proceed to create a billing group to insert items from inventory to this job. In this demo, let's select a halogen bulb. Here it shows the inventory location 1 has an on-hand quantity of 80. It also shows the cost of the bulb as $3.66. Notice that there isn't any charges for this item as this is an under warranty repair job. Let's click Accept. You may add more items by clicking on the item button again. Let's save the job. Next, I could pull out tasks that we need to perform for this job. Let's pick electrical to see what are those activities. Here there are 3 questions to be answered. You may add as many preferred activities to ensure whoever is carrying out the job goes through it in sequence. You can also attach such as images to those activities. Those task activities can be printed and emailed to your customer as a detailed service report. Let's add one more task for refrigeration. Let's have a moment for me to input all those activities needed. Next, you may proceed to register any symptom, fault and solution for this equipment if necessary. This equipment history will be updated with this registration accordingly. You may pick from those existing symptom, fault and solution or create new ones on the fly. As an example, let's pick burning smell symptom, select PS error 16 as fault, and the solution is fuser error. Let's accept the registration and save this job. Any future recurring of this similar fault will help others quickly know what's the solution needed. Let's print out the service report and email it to our customer. You may also select the work order job card to print along with the customer confirmation or service report. Let's print the job card on screen and this layout again can be customized according to your preference. Now let's print the service report, which is known as customer confirmation in this example. You can customize it to your preference. This standard layout includes the equipment details, registered symptom, fault and solution, and also all those task activities including its input values. Thank you for watching. We have come to an end of this demo on customer return authorization process. For more information, please call Databit and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more upcoming videos. Goodbye.